There's a lot of things that make installing composite different than wood. Wood's easier to work with. Wood, you can get away with a nick, or wood you can get away with a lot more. And you can touch it up differently. Installation wise, composite, you get one chance. You drill a hole in it, that hole's there. You can't fix it. Wood, you can back it out and put a screw back in another location, and it doesn't affect the overall aesthetics of the deck. That's one thing. So your extra care is taken with the composite as opposed to the wood. Measure twice, cut once. You know, once you cut that composite, it is what it is. And whereas with wood, it's an easy change out if you do something wrong. Whereas composite, you have to get a whole nother piece of material that, you know, it's not a commodity. It's more of a higher end product. Also installing it, a lot of times we install closer spacing on composite boards. We do a 12-inch joist spacing on all composites. You can get away with 16, but just because it's a thinner material than a wood, so to speak, we do go on a narrower spacing. Fastening options. On wood, typically you're face screwing. On composite, we're using a hidden fasteners. Hidden fastener system, you don't drill through the face of it. You can. There's multiple ways you can do that. There's multiple ways to hide the fastening on the composite installation. You can also face screw and plug. You can also just directly face screw and put them level with the top, or you can do the hidden fastener. So there's multiple options there. Installation wise, wood's easier to handle. Wood's more stiff. Wood is easier to stack. And it is more rigid in a lot of cases, whereas, you know, the composite is more, you know, if you pick up a big long sheet, it's like a piece of spaghetti. You can't just pick it up and throw it on there. You need more than one person. And it's easier to damage if you ram it into something or so forth. So wood's easier to handle, it's stiffer. Installing composite decking boards is different than natural because it's harder to handle in some cases, and you can only drill or do a lot of things once through it. When you make an error on composite, it's there. When you make an error on wood, you can easily change out that board and put another one in its place. Between that and then the rigidity of it, also, you need to support the composite differently than you do the wood. Not just on joist spacing, but maybe how you do a border, these sorts of things. The wood is more, if you have an overhang with composite, you know, it's definitely more flexible, whereas wood, it'll hold. It's definitely a trade to keep it looking good all the way through installation is more of a challenge, I'd say.